Today, we're going to talk about blackheads. Blackheads, one of the most common forms of acne, are small, dark lesions that appear on the skin, often on the face, and specifically on the nose. Fortunately, blackheads can be treated and managed with various methods, from at-home remedies to professional treatments. In this comprehensive guide, we'll discuss the causes of blackheads, effective removal methods, and preventive measures to ensure a clean and blackhead-free nose. Let's first understand the causes of blackheads. To effectively remove blackheads from the nose, it's crucial to first understand what causes them. Blackheads form when the hair follicles on your skin become clogged with sebum, the oil produced by sebaceous glands. When dead skin cells and oil collect in the pore, they create a blockage. Unlike whiteheads, where the pore remains closed, blackheads have an open surface, which allows the material inside to oxidize and turn dark. This is why they appear black, or dark brown. Several factors contribute to the development of blackheads. For example, excess oil production. People with oily skin are more prone to blackheads because their skin produces more sebum, increasing the likelihood of clogged pores. Hormonal changes, hormonal fluctuations during puberty, menstruation, pregnancy, or due to the use of birth control pills can trigger excess oil production, leading to blackheads. Poor skincare habits, inadequate cleansing, or even over-cleansing can both lead to blackheads. Diet and lifestyle. A diet high in sugar, dairy, or greasy foods, along with stress and lack of sleep, can exacerbate blackheads. Now, let's talk about remedies to remove blackheads from the nose. At home, let's explore the techniques that can assist in resolving this issue. As you may know, blackheads can develop on various areas of the face, such as the cheeks, chin, and around the lips. However, the most common area for blackheads is the nose. This video will primarily concentrate on addressing this concern. Cleansing with salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a popular ingredient in many over-the-counter acne treatments because it's excellent at breaking down the oil and dead skin cells that clog pores. Regularly using a salicylic acid-based cleanser can help prevent blackheads and clear existing ones. It works by gently exfoliating the surface of the skin and penetrating deep into the pores to dissolve the material inside. When choosing a salicylic acid cleanser, look for one with a concentration of 0.5% to 2%. Use it once or twice daily, depending on your skin type. But avoid overuse, as it may dry out or irritate sensitive skin. Exfoliating with a gentle scrub. Exfoliation is an essential part of a skincare routine for removing dead skin cells, which can contribute to blackheads. Using a gentle scrub with fine particles helps slough off dead skin and prevent pore blockages. However, it's important to avoid harsh scrubs, as they can irritate the skin and even worsen acne. Exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week is sufficient for most skin types. After exfoliating, always follow up with a moisturizer to keep the skin hydrated and prevent overproduction of oil. Using clay masks. Clay masks, particularly those containing bentonite or kaolin clay, are excellent for absorbing excess oil from the skin. They work by drawing out impurities and tightening the pores, making them effective for both treating and preventing blackheads. You can apply a clay mask once or twice a week to the nose or to the entire face, depending on your skin's oiliness. To use a clay mask, apply an even layer to clean skin. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse it off with lukewarm water. Regular use can help control oil production and keep pores clean. Applying charcoal masks. Charcoal masks are another effective treatment for blackheads. Activated charcoal is known for its ability to absorb toxins and impurities from the skin. When used in a mask, it can help clear out the pores and reduce the appearance of blackheads on the nose. To use a charcoal mask, apply it to clean, dry skin, focusing on areas where blackheads are present. Allow the mask to dry completely before peeling it off or washing it away. The peeling action helps lift blackheads out of the pores, while the charcoal detoxifies the skin. Trying pore strips. Pore strips are adhesive strips that you apply to damp skin on the nose. After allowing the strip to dry, you peel it off, removing the blackheads that are stuck to the strip. Pore strips can provide immediate results and are particularly useful for people with many blackheads on their nose. However, pore strips are not a long-term solution, as they only remove blackheads from the surface of the skin and do not prevent them from forming again. Overuse of pore strips can also irritate the skin, so it's recommended to use them sparingly, about once a week. One of the most efficient methods for eliminating blackheads from the nose involves using a quick mask made with lemon and sea salt. Take note of this straightforward recipe. You will need 1 tablespoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of water. Combine these ingredients in a bowl and apply the mixture to the black spots for 2 to 3 minutes using a circular motion. Allow the mask to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse your face with warm water. Follow this by rinsing your face with cold water to close the pores. Finally, apply moisturizer. Use this mask once a week for surprising results. Lemon is highly effective against blackheads and is a common ingredient in various blackhead-free mask and scrub recipes due to its acids that tighten pores, remove blackheads, and prevent acne and other skin issues. However, be cautious, as this mask may not be suitable for sensitive or dry skin. For such skin types, there are gentler methods for blackhead removal, which we will discuss next. If your skin is very sensitive or dry, a scrub made of oatmeal, lemon juice, and plain yogurt can be just as effective in eliminating blackheads as the previous mask. Simply mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 3 tablespoons of yogurt and the juice of half a lemon. Apply the resulting mask to your nose, leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse your face with water, and apply moisturizer once the time is up. Oatmeal is a common ingredient in excellent base scrubs and is beneficial for your skin. Yogurt balances out the effects of the lemon and provides a gentler cleansing without excessively drying out your skin. Repeat this mask once a week. There are several other methods you may want to consider, such as using cleansing strips. Yes, there's no need to purchase them, as you can easily create them yourself. You'll only need honey, milk, and some cotton. Start by combining 1 tablespoon of raw honey with 1 teaspoon of milk. Then, warm the mixture in the microwave for around 5 to 10 seconds and ensure it is well mixed. Pay attention to the temperature, as it shouldn't be too hot. Apply the warm mixture to your nose and gently place a cotton strip over it. Allow the strip to sit on your nose for about 15 to 20 minutes before carefully peeling it away. Rinse your nose with cold water to close the pores. It's recommended to do this procedure once a week to effectively remove blackheads without being harsh on your skin, suitable for all skin types. Another effective combination for getting rid of blackheads is the cinnamon and honey strip. For this, you'll need cotton, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix the honey and cinnamon and apply a thin layer to your nose. Then place a strip over it. After 5 to 10 minutes, peel it away and wash your face with cold water. Repeat once a week. Honey effectively cleans clogged pores, while cinnamon smoothens the skin, making it easier for the honey to remove blackheads. After washing your face, ensure to moisturize your skin. Green tea can also be beneficial in combating blackheads. For a scrub, you'll need 1 green tea bag, 1/3 of a cup of water, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. The following steps are simple. Brew the green tea bag in 1/3 of a cup of water, and leave the bag until the water becomes lukewarm. Then, put 2 tablespoons of sugar in a bowl, and add 1 tablespoon of lukewarm green tea. Mix those two together. Add 1 more tablespoon of sugar, and continue mixing. Ta-da! The scrub is ready. Gently rub the finished scrub onto your nose in a circular motion. Be careful, and avoid your eyes and nostrils. Wait for about 10 to 15 minutes, and when you feel that it has begun to dry, wash it off with cold water to close your pores and moisturize your skin. Green tea is known for reducing oil and inflammation on the skin, which is why it is irreplaceable for removing blackheads. Steam and extraction. Steaming your face can help open up your pores and make it easier to remove blackheads. To do this, fill a bowl with hot water. Place your face over the bowl and drape a towel over your head to trap the steam. After 5 to 10 minutes, gently use a comedogenic extractor or clean tissue to press around the blackheads and push them out. Be cautious when using extraction tools, as improper technique can lead to scarring or infection. If you're not comfortable performing extractions at home, it's best to see a dermatologist or licensed esthetician for professional extraction. Now let's talk about professional treatments for blackheads. While at-home remedies can be effective, sometimes professional treatments are necessary to thoroughly remove blackheads and prevent them from coming back. Chemical peels. A chemical peel is a procedure in which a dermatologist applies a chemical solution to the skin, causing it to exfoliate and eventually peel off. This reveals smoother, clearer skin underneath. Chemical peels can be effective in removing blackheads by dissolving the buildup of oil and dead skin cells in the pores. There are different types of chemical peels, ranging from mild to deep. Glycolic acid and salicylic acid peels are commonly used to treat blackheads. Mild peels can be done at home, but stronger peels should only be performed by a professional. Laser and light therapy. Laser and light therapies can target and reduce blackheads by shrinking the oil glands that produce excess sebum. This treatment is typically used for individuals with severe acne, but it can also be effective for blackheads. Different types of lasers, such as blue light and intense pulsed light, or IPL, are used to kill bacteria and reduce oil production in the skin. Laser treatments are performed by dermatologists and require several sessions to achieve the best results. While this option is more expensive than at-home treatments, it can be an effective, long-term solution for those struggling with persistent blackheads. Preventing blackheads on the nose. Once you've removed blackheads from your nose, the next step is to prevent them from coming back. Incorporating the following practices into your skincare routine can help keep your pores clear and reduce the likelihood of future blackheads. Maintain a consistent skincare routine. A consistent skincare routine is key to preventing blackheads. This includes cleansing your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Avoid using harsh soaps or overwashing your face, as this can strip the skin of its natural oils and lead to increased sebum production. In addition to cleansing, exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times a week to remove dead skin cells and prevent clogged pores. Follow up with a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer. To keep your skin hydrated without clogging your pores, use non-comedogenic products. When choosing skincare and makeup products, look for labels that say non-comedogenic, which means they won't clog pores. Non-comedogenic products are formulated to be lighter and less likely to cause blackheads or other types of acne. Avoid using heavy creams or oils on your face, especially if you have oily skin. Watch your diet. What you eat can affect your skin's condition. To help prevent blackheads, try to reduce your intake of sugar, processed foods, and dairy, as these have been linked to increased oil production and acne. Instead, focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water also helps flush out toxins from the body and keep the skin healthy. Avoid touching your face. Constantly touching your face can transfer dirt, oil. I guess we can all agree that we all want beautiful, glowing, and clean skin without all of these pimples and blackheads, right? But remember, nothing comes easily. A battle with blackheads takes regular care and serious effort. There are a lot of things you can try, so always set aside some time for yourself and try something new. This way, you'll know what works for your skin and what doesn't. Throughout this process, you'll certainly find some universal methods and techniques that will work wonders for your skin, making it clean, fresh, and above all, healthy. What helps you to clean your face from blackheads? Share your opinions and advice in the comment section below. And don't forget to give us a like and share the video with your friends.